Hello world and welcome to the Mecca of Mastery TV. I am your host Mecca, and here's Faith. If it is your mission to become the greatest version of yourself in every area of life, then you, my soul friend, are in the right place. I'm so excited about this episode, as I say in every episode, because I really do be excited. Because in this video, we are speaking about personal and spiritual development. And the topic of this video is why you are always tired. Let's get straight into the video. Constantly tired, baby, fatigued. You done got full 8 hours of rest, but you still tired. All day you yawning. You feel like you need a coffee. You need like some black tea. You are just constantly tired, and it's been irritating. It's been frustrating because it's no way to live. Like, who wants to walk around feeling tired all the time? But before I get into the drip of this video and I go ahead and just let out all these jewels on you, if you are not a family member here at Mecca Mastery TV, make sure you make it official by hitting that subscribe button so you never miss any updates, because I am dropping this weekly food for your soul, honey. This is soul food every single Monday. All right, so look, why you always tired? Man, first of all, life sucks when you are tired. It don't matter if you are doing that one thing that you didn't have on your bucket list for 10 years and it's that one big major thing. You can go do that thing, but if you are tired when you are doing that thing, you will not feel the full essence and experience and bliss of that thing. All because of why? Because you are damn tired, okay? And so there's many reasons why you might be tired, but there's one main reason why you're tired, and we're going to cover all of it. But first of all, let me back up before I give you the main reason. Let's look at what it means to be tired and how you are feeling. When you are tired, you're feeling loss of energy, loss of vitality. You are feeling loss of focus, concentration, all of these things. So the first thing that you want to do is ask yourself, what am I doing? What am I allowing? What am I saying to myself? Who am I speaking to? Who am I around? What is the actions that I'm doing? What are my behaviors that may contribute to me feeling this way? That might birth, feeling fatigued, feeling all over the place, discombobulated, distracted. Let me give you an example. If you block out 4 hours to do work, and within those 4 hours, you check your phone 5,000 times. Let's not be dramatic, not 5,000. You check your phone 10 times. Of course, you're not going to feel the full essence of whatever you are trying to align with within those 4 hours of doing that work, because you've been so distracted by all the notifications on your phone and you checking your phone. So you're going to feel tired every time you go back to do it, because your brain is now having to reprocess and regroup itself to focus again. And it takes about 17 to 30 minutes just to focus after you've taken your attention off of something and try to put it back on something else. And that's using so much energy, internal energy and external energy. So then you look up, you haven't even done much, but you absolutely tired. So ask yourself, first of all, what are my behaviors? What am I doing? What am I saying to yourself? What am I saying to myself? So for example, if you're constantly saying things like I can't do something, if you're constantly worried and frustrated, what you are doing is you're going against who you really are. You're going against the loving, abundant being that you are, and you're living in a low vibrational space of fear. It takes a lot of energy and effort, to operate at a lower frequency. It takes a lot of energy and effort. It's easier to vibrate at a higher frequency. To vibrate at a higher frequency, which you really are, which is love and abundance, is to let go. It's to allow the universe to unfold in the way that she does, and to take things as they come in the most beautiful way and look at them from the best perception and perspective that you can have, from the glass being half full instead of half empty. If you are constantly looking at things in a negative way, as the glass being half empty instead of half full, that is actually draining you of your life force. So if you're thinking thoughts of negativity, I cannot do something, I'm not enough, I'm not beautiful enough, I don't have enough time, I don't have enough money, I'm tired, this person, you know what I'm saying, why this, I failed, I'm guilty, it's my fault, then that's going to lower your vibration. And when it lowers your vibration, and when your vibration is lower, you're coming out of alignment with who you really are, the vibration of who you are, which is an abundant, loving being. And so that is actually going to tax you and drain you, even when you probably didn't do nothing all day for real. You ain't even do that much, but for some reason it felt like you didn't ran a whole marathon because of the thoughts that you were thinking and the things that you were saying to yourself. So it's the first looking at, what are you actually doing? How are you behaving, right? Now, let's go to the physical things. What are the foods that you are putting into your body? What are you putting into your body? Are you drinking highly caffeinated drinks all day to the point that it's stressing your adrenal glands, okay, causing your nervous system to go all out of whack and sporadic and things of that nature? So then when it gets to that space, all of a sudden now, what? You can't focus because you're all over the place, and now you're going to crash and burn because you're so tired, right? So you have to also look at that. What are you taking? What are you eating? Are you eating foods that's giving you life? Are you eating those whole leafy green vegetables and taking your herbs, your teas and fruit, and drinking an adequate amount of water, and vitamin and essentials, essential, I'm getting tongue twisted today. What am I trying to say? And taking things that is going to help with the minerals that's in your body, right? Mineral-based foods and things like that, right? So if you are eating, for example, foods that is based around having a lot of high fats and trans fats, okay, things like that, starches, and proteins that take so long to digest into the body. It takes hours for the proteins to digest and things of that nature. If you're consuming things like that, it's going to tax you physically, your physical body. So when your physical body feels taxed, then that's sending signals to your brain. So now your emotions start to get in tune with that. Then all of a sudden you just wiped out. You can't do nothing no more. The things that you want to do, and you need energy to live the life that you desire. You need energy to keep your house clean. You need energy to go to work. You need energy to show up in that beautiful relationship. Energy to walk your dog, energy to pet your cat. Sometimes I don't be want to pet my cat when I'm tired, on those days that I'm tired, and I'm like, I've been so damn tired that my cat was irritating me. Then that lets me know what is going on within me for me to be fatigued for 4 days in a row. What am I doing? Which takes me to my next point. Most of the time, right, the foundation of probably you being tired is due to how you are perceiving things and how you are addressing the happenings and the unfolding of your life. And here's what I mean by that, right? We all have desires and we have things that we want to accomplish and goals, right? Now, I don't know if you ever heard this saying that life is the dance and we are the dancers. In my own experience, I have found that to be true. I have found that life is the dance and I am the dancer, meaning that life is going to unfold in the way that she wants to unfold. The universe is going to unfold in the way she wants to unfold. I know what the play is, but I have to, as the dancer that's in this play, I have to dance through the play instead of being so adamant about the timing of it and just allow the dance to be what it is. When I don't allow the dance to be what it is and I don't enjoy the dance, that is when it feels like it's taking forever. That's when I start tripping over my feet. That's when I start messing up. That's when things go wrong. So it's the same thing in life. If you are constantly, okay, you put out a desire, but now you're like, all right, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Why is it not manifesting? Where's my man? Where's my $1 million? Where's this? Where's this? Where's this? Where's this? Where's my body goes? Where is it? Where is it? Instead of focusing on the journey of it, the dance of it, instead of focusing on the essence, the beauty of it. Like, for example, I can be looking like, why don't I have 1 million subscribers by now, when I know that what I put out is life-changing information because it's coming from the uploads from the universe. And I know what I have to say is divine and so many people can hear it, but I'm not worried about that. I get on here and I love filming and I love sharing this information. One person needs to see it. That's all I care about. I love pulling out this camera. I will be in a space where I'm tired and then I will get on this on this channel, and I would talk to y'all, and all of a sudden it just gives me this sense of energy. I'm ready to clean my whole house now. Why? Because I'm focused on the energy of the context of what I'm doing, not the result of what I'm doing. Not, oh, I'm about to put this video out and then it can get 1 million views, and then, oh, you can also become YouTube famous, and oh, I could possibly also become rich off of YouTube. That's not what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about, I love filming, and I love sharing this, and I love sharing my experience, and I love helping people, and I love when somebody received this and it actually helped them, and that's what I love. And that's the journey. Who knows where it's going to go? I have desires for where I want it to go. Hell yeah, I would want to check for you from YouTube. Hell yeah, it would be nice to have 1 million subscribers. You get what I'm saying? But is that my main focus and my main point? No, because if I made that my main focus and my main point, I wouldn't get on here and feed the videos the energy that I feed it from a space of love and light, because my intention would not be to really help you, but it would be something external. It wouldn't be the journey. It would be the destination, and the destination is not happiness. So, you might be tired, like I said, because of how you are perceiving your life unfolding, how you are looking at things, right? That is the main reason why you might be tired and fatigued, because you are looking at things as if coming from a space of lack, as if it's missing, the glass being half empty instead of half full. I have learned, no matter what it is, literally no matter what it is in my life, to always look at it from a very positive aspect. Whether it's a breakup, a death, something that happened with my physical health, friendships, in my business, financial. I say, what is the good reason as to why this has happened for me, not to me? Things don't happen to you, they happen for you. When I start to address things as if they're happening to me is when I start losing my vitality. Why? And my energy, and I start getting tired. Why? Because now I'm giving my power away. And when you don't have no power, you don't have no energy, and you're tired. You feel powerless. But when you look at something and you take your power back by stating the reason why it's good for you, you gain the energy back, the vitality back. Oh, I keep going on dates and they're not working. Not because I'm a bad person or I'm unwanted or I'm not attractive enough or things of that nature. That is not it. It's because I have a season to finally be by myself, because I've never been by myself alone since I was 11 years old. I had a boyfriend all the time, and I don't have to have the responsibility of, you know, literally thinking about a whole nother human being right now. I can be absolutely selfish and give all of my energy to my personal desires and build like strong foundations in areas of my life that I didn't get a chance to, because I was always wrapped up with some man in my life. This is beautiful for me. This has happened for me. It's not that this didn't work. And I did get to have opportunities to sit down with other men and receive masculine energy and learn something new about somebody or about myself. I gained a friend, or I learned more of what I do want. This helped me strengthen what I don't want, strengthen what I do want in a relationship, because it highlighted what I don't want from this experience. It's always things happening for you, not to you. So if you are tired, look at what you are putting into your body, what you are saying to yourself, how you're perceiving your life. And then lastly, the last thing, if you are always tired and you're always fatigued, sometimes that's probably because you are going through a transition in your life, and you are moving from a space of things being very known to you, and you having this steady type of cycle, this steady type of routine. And when you have to change, and when you bring something new into your life and new desires, that means something else does change as well. And so what that does is that leave you feeling discombobulated all over the place. You don't know if you're coming or you're going, and that will leave you feeling frustrated and tired, because you're running around trying to find satisfaction, and you can't, because everything is everywhere and it doesn't have a place. And if you're in a space like that, just pray for guidance. What I do is, when I'm in a space like that in my life in general, or when I'm dealing with something specific, I would say, God, universe, spirit, whatever you subscribe to, I pray that you be my eyes when I cannot see, be my feet when I cannot walk and I cannot move. Have your angels, my ancestors, walk with me and guide me, carry me, build a fence of positive light and energy, love and abundance and high frequency around me. Allow me to operate in a space of love. Allow me to see what I need to see. and to hear your voice and follow what you have planned for me. That is what you have to pray for. When you are in those areas, in those moments of your life, when you feel all over the place, when you feel discombobulated, when you feel that you're going all, you can't see whether you're coming or you're going, and you trying to find some satisfaction. You don't have no days where you clean your house no more. You don't have no steady routine when it comes to your facials or your laundry. When it comes to work, you sit down, you don't know what to do. And now you don't know what to do with yourself. Just go with the flow. Just ask Spirit, what do I do now? What is the best thing for me to do at this moment? And I promise you, she will not let you down. And with that being said, I hope you love this video and you share this with somebody that you care about. Because we always, I'm so emotional. Because we always say here at Mecca Mastery TV that sharing is caring. Remember, if you want one-on-one coaching, you can email me directly at meccabookings@gmail.com. Or you can hit the link in the description box below and you can book a Pick My Brain session directly. If you're on social media, make sure you follow me on these social media platforms that you see on the screen here. And make sure you check out my website at MeccaFreeman.com so you can go ahead and check out the wide range of food that I have for your soul, honey, from manifestation ritual guides, 21-day healing plans, how to get your shit together guides, and so much more. And as always, you, my soul friend, you go out into the world, you kick a whole lot of action and soul alignment. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do anything, because you can do whatever you put your mind, your body, your soul to. I am sending my love, light, peace, tranquility, gratitude, and good ass vibes your way. Until next time, I see you in the next episode with peace and love. See you.